Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Yeah, we have a little overcast day today, but everything is good. Everything is good. It's warm and it's very, very windy, family. Very windy. But I want to share with you all. I'm going down to Rosie's today. Yeah. Also, Jaydah and I dropping some seeds, and everything is just going beautifully. There's a couple of things that I'm looking for, and I'm gonna go see if Rosie's have them for me, right? Also, I did make a purchase from Dollar Tree, nothing huge, and it's nothing that I never had before, but I wanted them again, right? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Moon 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Yeah. So, all insects that come in your garden, they are not foes, right? Many of them are friends. Listen, God is waking up the earth, baby. He's waking it up. But this is my new plant that I purchased today. So let me share. This is it. But this comes from Rosie's, right? And that's what it is. Hey, hey, hey. And this is the cost. That's what I paid for it from Rose Garden Center. So this is about this plant is hardy in zone 2 to 10. Grows, she's gonna be a big girl, big girl. And yes, I'm gonna put her in full sun. Yay! This is who she is. Let me take her down. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, there she is, and she's looking beautiful. When I go shop for plants, I don't necessarily look for something that's vigorous and, full of leaves or full of fruits. No, I just look for one that is alive and it's green and you can see she's waking up. Oh yeah, baby, she's waking up. And I love it. So I wanted to get two, but they didn't have two, but the owner says that he will have some next week, so I will go back and get me another. I'm gonna get another one. Yeah. All right, guys. What I want to show you is this bed. Now, I don't know how long this bed is. I made this bed maybe in 2019. I made both of these. So I'm thinking they're about 8 foot long. Yeah, both of them. And their bulk is going to be tomatoes and herbs. That's it. And the herbs and the garden, that's the pest pressure, baby, right? All right, guys. So today I'm giving everyone some 511, and I'm gonna back it up, baby, with some super juice. So I'm gonna give all of my fruit trees, all of them, all the fig trees is gonna get some also. Everybody, all the vegetables that is still big from the fall, and all of the fruit trees that is waking up, and all of them is waking up. So I'm gonna give everybody some 511 and super juice today. Yeah. It's a beautiful day out here today. While I'm doing this, it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it is windy out here, but it's a wonderful day to be in the garden, y'all. Yeah. So I'm just mixing it up and getting it all together, and we're gonna give everybody some super juice. So this is the end of this super juice, right? And you see I put my plantain leaves in here. So I'm going to take this and put it in my compost pile, and I'm going to start all over again. Yeah. But this is one of my super juice. I have another one. She's getting ready, right? Yeah. All right, guys. Ooh, yeah. Y'all know the smell. You know the smell. But look at these guys. They love it, y'all. They love it. Yeah, baby. And she loved it. Oh, yeah, I gave her a little bit, too. I gave her some. She loved it, too, y'all. The walking stick kale. She got a little bit. You got a little bit, mama? She got a little bit too. Gave some to my black mission fig. She love it too, y'all. She love it too. The lemon tree. Yeah, she love it too. She love it too. They all love that super juice. So family, this is Ben and I. We're out here, and Ben is pulling up weeds from by the fence, and I'm having him to put all those weeds in that grow bed. So this is the beginning of the gardening season, and family, what we do with our garden and to our garden in the beginning of the gardening season will have a huge impact on what we receive, especially from that very first harvest. So do your work, baby. Work it. This is a few of my 17-gallon containers, and these are the solar lights I picked up from Dollar Tree a couple of days ago. And I just stuck these beautiful butterflies. I really like them in the containers. And there's 4 colors. I think there's red, blue, green, and yellow. Yeah, those are the ones I got. As I was working in my garden, I looked up, and there's my granddaughter. She rode her bike to my house, and she is having a ball. She dropped those seeds, and she's very excited. But she was really excited to show me her teeth because she got her braces removed today. She was so excited to get them off. So I told her, "Come on, smile for me, smile." And she just laughed so much. But her teeth look amazing, and I'm so happy for her. She's really conscious about that, y'all. Y'all know how these kids are. So tonight is Wednesday, and as I was listening to Wind Down Wednesday with Stacy, Nikki, and Bougie, baby, I was cooking, y'all. This is what I was cooking right here. Let me see if I have any more shrimps in here because I've been eating them. But yeah, so here's my shrimp. I have some turkey sausage and chicken wings. It's all about the flavors, you know. They have bell peppers, garlic, onion, celery, garlic. Did I say garlic? Yeah. It's so good, family. So good. No, I wasn't able to, engage a lot. But babies, I was listening. And one thing we know, Nikki don't play that. Nikki was ready to throw some bones, baby. You know. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to share my Wednesday night meals with you all. Okay? All right, y'all. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Later, y'all.